Hello guys, today I want to show you how to download and install TFT Mobile on Moto G8 Plus. So for the first you have to go to our website. The link will be in the description of this video. If you are in our website, click here and find the TFT Mobile article. Click on it, and here are 3 links to download the game. So I go with the first, click here, now we have to wait until this finish download, and now press install, open, and now press on the Riot account. And important is to choose the available region. So currently this is the EU Nordic East and Oceania here, because the early beta is only in the Romania and the Australia. So now you have to input your username and password. And now just press here. No thanks. Click on the OK. And now we have to download the new available patch. So press on this marker and wait until this finish download. Okay, so it's almost done. 97, 98, 99%, and we are in the game. So this is how it works, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Please leave likes, subscription, and of course comments below. So I'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.